how does the thing work? Start capture. Oh, I'm going live. Oh, hello guys. My name is E. I'm one of Eshey's friends. Well, unfortunately, I'm here to tell you that she's still sick. It has been about last Monday. She still has a sore throat and a clogged nose. So I came to make this video to tell you about her singing frenzy, and you can still vote. Keep your votes coming because she's still, you know, counting it off and practicing her songs, even though she's quite sick. And don't worry, I'm just making a vlog. I won't mess up. She thinks that I'm going to make fun of myself in front of a camera or make some stupid nonsense, but no, I'm not like that. I'm not like that. She doesn't trust me at all. Anyway, tomorrow, I think she would be making a video when she's fine. She's not, you know, it's awfully bad because she might be looking for her here on YouTube and looking for videos and ideas and a lot of stuff. Stop making a fool of yourself in front of the camera. I won't make fun of myself. Go to bed. Well, anyway, I think I should be going. She's going to get really angry at me. This is my first time really talking to a camera. It's so weird. I'll take it from here. Oh right. I think I should be going. Toodles. Sorry guys. I'm really sorry guys. E got a little bit carried away. So I guess I'll see you guys later. Oh yeah. Yeah. What?